Hi, I'm Gabe.
And I'm Acacia. Welcome to KidsCorner.net, where kids can learn more about Christian faith every day.
Don't forget to check out our Kids Corner Bible Devotions app too.
Come and see.
On our website, start by diving into Kids Corner's weekly kids devotion with Bible readings and prayer.
Will you pray with me? Calling God? Thank you.
Follow the Casey's Day comic to get to know Casey, her family, and friends. On the Kids Corner app, we've broken our popular devotions into smaller, snackable pieces. Bible readings, memory verses, reflections, and prayers. Plus, we've added fun puzzles, games, and interactive challenges.
Look at that cute dog. I know, right? Let's put it somewhere.
The website also has a parent blog about what kids learn in the devotions that week. Watch Kids in Action, live action YouTube videos about real kids doing God's work right now.
God has big and great plans for me.
We are doing this to honor and glorify God.
So what can you give? Giving makes a difference.
Listen to the greatest stories of the Bible with the Kids Corner Bible Stories podcast made just for kids.
In this story, meet David, who had God on his side.
You can find these stories on our website, Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and YouTube. Need a Bible study? Watch the videos and take the God's Big Story quiz to learn about the Bible.
Jesus told them to share the good news of God's Messiah with all people.
Then there's the classic, Liz and Friends podcast. A fun Kids Corner cast of characters learn important Bible messages wrapped in fun stories. Listen to all 265 episodes on the website or on your favorite platform.
There's one strange lizard.
Finally, enjoy all of our free crafts, puzzles, coloring pages, songs, and more on our activities page. At KidsCorner.net, we present the Christian message to kids and their families in a fun and entertaining way.
So, explore all we have to offer. It's free, fun, and all about sharing the Bible and finding your place in God's story.